under the costume.
Yes.
Doing this din.
Dami palang costume dito. Big boy, come here na. Anong ako dito? Dito ka, dali. Isa. Big boy, come here. You want that one?
With that, siya.
Sleeper.
Dali mo yung anong pangpalakon mo.
Mas ikaw nga mag-picture kay GM kasi isi-send mo sa daddy niya. Doon, big boy, doon. Move.
Dito, bebe.
Kami.
Taas mo ano. Ayang ano.
Sko po.
Taas mo konti ay.
Pagkagastos ng bata.
Madapa ka dyan, GM, pagparid nyo.
Nagpapalit niya.
Makitang kalsada. Yan, ganyan.
Ay, hindi ganyan ang ano. Zombie killer. Dapat ano. Like you look angry.
Matapang talaga.
So guys, after namin bumiling costume ni JM, andito kami sa ano, dating train station, Diyos ko Rode. Sa batang to at iyak gusto talagang pumunta dito. At gusto makita yung kahit mga lumang train. Sa batang to eh.
Ay, because this season is abandoned, right?
Yes.
Abandoned.
Oh, let's go home na.
No, not yet.
Go na, don't ano. Go na. Oh, you need to climb. Oh, nakita mo na train. Let's go home na. Hindi ka pwede dyan pumunta, big boy. Ay, Diyos ko naman, JM. Pinapahirapan mo naman ako.
So big ito, oh. Mama ito, oh. Oh, see how so big dyan ng train.
Diyos ko, panghi-panghi pa dito. Smell it?
It's not even smelly.
Yeah.
What smelly, ma?
So, ayan guys. Hindi ko alam kung na-under pa tong train na to. Kasi meron ng bagong terminal ginagawa eh. Oh,
Abandoned ito.
abandoned train?
Abandoned, oh, see?
Okay, sige na, go na.
Yeah.
Where are we going? I'm gonna stay here. I'm watching you.
Go all the way to the end.
Why?
Oh, bangkong.
You can't get eh.
Ay!
You want to ano, climb there or go climb na.
From here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's why
Hurry up.
it's GTA. It's GTA.
Go na. Asus, ni kaya. Asus.
Wait, ma. I found this later.
No. Okay, they will get mad.
Oh, that is the scooty.
The other one, oh. Jim, dyan, oh.
This way?
No, tingnan mo dito. Oh, akyat ka na dyan, oh.
This way?
Here. Oh, dyan.
Here?
Oh,
Are you sure?
yes.
Oh, you got this.
Oh, go ask the guard.
Wow.
Go na. Go na. Go ask kuya na dali. Ay, we're going home. Go ask kuya. Oh, go na. Ask kuya. Go ask kuya if you can. No, she's the guard here. Go ask him. What? What? How you can climb it?
Dito.
Diyos ko po, ang layo na nilakad namin kuya, makapunta lang dito. Hurry up daw. Pero kuya, okay lang? Dito lang daw, GM. Yes. Ano pa? Sa may likod? Doon lang daw. Because if, you know, the manager, I guess.
Manager.
Yeah, they will get mad. Opo. Puto. Pag nakakita ng release, gusto daw niya maging driver ng train. Yes. Big boy, it's close eh. Here, big boy, come here. I will help you to climb. Come here.
You have to get me up in the door.
Hurry up. Oh, take a video.
Hi guys. So this is the train. So this is where you guys will sit at. And this is the doors. This is a abandoned train.
Hold, you know. Ay, puta. Aray ko daw. Go na, climb. Go climb.